Hello everyone. So these days we are discussing the different controls which we can use on the form, right? So today our object is button. So our today's object is button. Our control is button. So what is basically button is we use to trigger something, right? To trigger something means if you want to do something, we need some trigger, right? And for that we have a button component or the control. So here you can see that the list of the controls and button is there. You can simply drag and drop it on the form. Now here we have some useful properties, methods and events. We have already discussed about what is properties, right? And what is the difference between methods and the events. And if you have not watched the previous video, please go and watch the previous videos so you can get an idea that what is method and what is event, or what is the difference between methods and events. Here we have different properties or most useful properties. Of course, again the same thing, so many properties are there, but we will discuss some important or some most useful properties. So text property. Let's say that here you have a form. Let's say here you have a form, and on that form you have taken one button. Now what you want to write on this button? What you want to write, like submit, login, cancel, okay. Normally all this text we normally find in on the button. So this is the text property through which we can write the text on the button. Then we have a tab index. We have already discussed. Image is like let's say this button is we use for the save. Let's say for the save, to save something. Now okay, let me draw it again. Here we have a form, and on the form we have a button, and let's say this button is to cancel something, right? You want to cancel something. So this cancel is a text, but what if I don't want to use the cancel text? Also I can use the image. Let's say I have this image cross. I have this image. So yes, I can, let me erase this cancel text, and okay, now I can place this image, or I can use this image over here. So instead of the text you can also use the image. Then we have a for color, easy, right? Font color, background image the similar way, then back color, then the auto size mode. All these are the most useful properties. Then some common or most useful methods: select and notify. Default select means, suppose let's say when you load the form and on that form you have multiple components, but by default you want to set this particular button to be activated, to be active. So in that case you can use the notify default. Then next we have events. So of course click event is there. It is majorly used or mainly for the click. Then we have a double click. Got focus means the selection of the, or the, to activate that control. So we can use the enter key. We can use the enter key to hit the button. Then the text change and the mouse hover. All these events you can explore in the practical session. Now let's continue with the previous example. Here we have one label, and let me take one text box. Let's say here I want to enter the name, and then I want a button. So this is the button, and here we have multiple properties. Many properties are there, you can explore them. Let's say cancel, right? This is the cancel button, and here we have image. So you can click here and you can go to the local resource. You can import any image by selecting the stored image on your PC, and then when you will click on the OK, it will automatically place over here. So this is image, for color is there, then right, so many properties we have. Then we double click on it, it will again redirect to the coding window, and let me write button 1 dot, and when we say button 1 dot, so see, bring to front, contains, dispose, equals, so many different methods, right? Select method is there, we discussed, show method is there, so many methods are there, and here we have list of all the events. You can pick any event and you can write your code. So this is about the button which you can use in your VB project. Other component we will discuss in the next session.